After going through a lot of friendship breakups, I can say that not setting boundaries and not truly being ourselves eventually lead to friendship breakups. We unconsciously try to fit in, say yes to every plan, and do things you don't want to do. It's exhausting. You should be true to yourself no matter what, because there would be at least one time in a moment where no one will come to save you when you need them the most, and that moment is enough to break you. I always felt alone, didn't relate to their talks, but I had to be there because I didn't have any option. Didn't wanted to get cancelled, feared what would they think. But the more I stayed, the more I mentally started breaking out. And when I finally decided to left, I became my own best friend. I didn't have anyone to talk, so I started journaling, and it relieved my thoughts and made me feel lighter. I didn't felt awkward standing alone anymore. I started doing the things I liked but couldn't do it because of the fear of being judged before. Suddenly, I didn't needed to take advice or ask if it's right before doing anything. I'm the master of my decisions again. I burned the version of me which wasn't mine and gradually started becoming and feeling myself. I know it's nice having friends, but sometimes you enjoy your company more. I have bad days, but I don't feel a need to share it with somebody, neither I like doing it before. Transitioning from the person you want to become to becoming that person is when you start attracting the right people in your life who matches your vibe, who understands you, who know your goals, who supports it. But for that, you have to love the person you see in the mirror. You need to realize that if someone says that you're weird doesn't mean you are. It's just that you both are not the right fit for friendship. You're not supposed to change yourself but the friends. You'd have to set boundaries and know yourself better. You have to become your own best friend. And remember, friendship is a choice. So don't ever feel pressure to have one. There's no boredom when you're your own best friend. It's always peaceful, far away from any drama or chaos. There's no expectations from anyone. You become self-reliant. You make mistakes, but there's no one to judge you secretly. You know your worth, so you won't let any random person come in your life. I enjoy dancing on my own, taking myself on dates, doing things I love doing. I don't have to wait for anyone. I learned the greatest lesson in my life, to be who you are. Not everyone will stay in your life forever. So live the life you want by holding your own hands.